Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. I woke up to light rain here in Sutter County, California. All I know is it's going to, mess up my car, but that's okay. I'll take the rain. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Finland, where I prepared. Again, I am not attempting to finish. Basically translates to Finnish cabbage casserole. I had somebody comment yesterday that it looked like, the recipe looks like a deconstructed cabbage roll. Well, you think about it, the ingredients, yeah. This was good. If I make it again, which is a good possibility, I'll kick it up. It was just a little, not bland is the wrong word. Bland is not the right word. It just was kind of plain. I think plain is better than bland. But I would kick it up a little bit. And I looked, at the research, and I'm like, we'll just try it this way. Plenty of tomato. There's plenty of tomato flavor in there. Definitely. It's good. A warning or a cautionary tale. This makes a lot. I halved the recipe and I ate a lot. I mean, I ate a bunch of it, but I still have plenty of leftovers for just me. So, if you're gonna make this, if you're gonna make it for two or your family, remember that it does make quite a bit. But it's very simple. There's no tricks to the trade or anything like that in it. So but try it and kick it up a little bit. Add some herbs to it, maybe a little bit of some red pepper flakes, something along that line. All right. Tonight, I have two things going on today. So what I'm actually making for dinner is extremely simple. But I'm still going on the culinary expedition to the Vatican City. Yes. The Vatican City I think, is one of the smallest countries in the world. Please don't fact check me. I could be wrong. I'll admit it. I just thought it was interesting when I did a search for recipes for the Vatican City. I was surprised what I found. Being Friday, which is pasta day, I'm going with a Vatican style, basically pasta with oil, and that's basically what this is. So let's get to it. And the basics: extra virgin olive oil. I'm using linguine. If you know me, you know I like linguine over spaghetti. Garlic. So you got oil, pasta, garlic, red pepper flakes. The empty bowl represents the fresh parsley I'll be picking up while I grocery shop this morning, and salt to taste. Notice there is no Parmesan cheese to be had. What makes this particular Olio, however you say it, unique is you're compared to some of the other ones that I have done, is you're actually heating up the oil and cooking the garlic and the pepper flakes just enough. And then you're adding it to the cooked pasta. So, the other thing I have got going on today is session 1 of the Indian butter chicken cooking preparation. This morning I'm going to be doing the prep and getting the chicken and its marinade all ready and in the cold box so it can be well overnight doing its thing in the cold box. So that's going on at 10 o'clock this morning at Pacific time. So on this Friday, Have a great day. Eat great food. And I'll see you later. And have fun cooking.